Hi guys, this is Michi Santillan, team leader of Team Firestorm. So this is another part of our technical training series. Our topic for today is how to transfer load wallet to your retailers. Okay? So, syempre, di ba, nakapag-register ka ng retailer mo, from your dealer SIM to your retailer SIM, kailangan mo mag-transfer ng load wallet para makapag-load ka. Okay? So, now, paano ka ba makakapag-transfer ng load wallet through your text? Through text, okay? So, just type in your cell phone, transfer, space, 6-digit password mo, space, cellphone number ng retailer mo, space, and kung magkano yung gusto mong i-load wallet, and then send mo na sa kahit anong load central access numbers. Okay? So, remember, ang pwede lang mag-transfer is dealer to retailer. Hindi pwedeng retailer to retailer. Kailangan na-transfer mong retailer is one bro retailer din. Now, take note, Mitch, magkano ba ang minimum at maximum na pwede kong i-transfer sa load wallet ng retailer ko? Ang minimum po, okay, is wala. Okay, minimum is wala. Kahit piso pa yan, 2 pesos, 3 pesos, 5 pesos, pwede mong i-transfer sa load wallet ng retailer mo. Maximum kahit magkano din. So basically, maganda dyan dahil sa one bro, walang limit. So kahit magkano lang, ma-loadan mo na yung load wallet ng retailer mo. Okay? So basically, that's just it. Iba lang ang pag-transfer sa online. That's in our next video. Okay? So again, thank you. God bless. Stay tuned for more videos. Maraming salamat.